What is the best retirement investment in Malaysia? People struggle to understand or keen to know what is the best retirement investment to prepare for their own retirement. But really, the reason you ask this question is because you want to preserve the capital of your retirement investment portfolio for as long as you can. At the same time, you want to maximize the return, the passive income, or the dividend or the interest from that exact part of retirement portfolio. But first of all, I want to introduce you to this AI retirement calculator or advisor tool to help you make quick financial health check on the sufficiency of your retirement. So you will know that based on how much you spend, what is the size of your retirement portfolio, and what kind of return that you need to be getting in order to last you to whatever age that you desire in for your retirement. You could adjust all the variables, the inputs, and see how different scenarios look like just at the tap of your fingertips. Now back to this question: what is the best retirement investment in Malaysia? Now, really, there's no best retirement investment other than this fact. You have to ask what season are we in. Now, I'm not talking about summer or winter season. I'm talking about what is the current macroeconomic season that we are in. Are we in a high interest environment or are we in a low interest rate environment? Because broadly speaking, the best investment for this kind of high interest or low interest rate environment determines what will be the best retirement investment. Now, think of it just like your Formula One racing, right? If it's a rainy day, the team of Formula One they just need to use a different types of tires for the cars compared to when it is a sunny day. So no one asset class or investment is the best, but you need to have the knowledge to evaluate like what situation to deploy or to be heavy in which type of investment, and what macroeconomic cycle that you are in. So you know what is the safest investment for you for your retirement portfolio, and know when to actually switch between one to another. When macroeconomic seasons change. If not, you will be caught off guard. Right? Your retirement portfolio could be like very concentrated on the worst investment that you could put your money into in the wrong season. Right? It's like you using a screwdriver to drive a nail to the wall, and you are using a hammer to operate on a screw. And as much as you can, use this AI retirement calculator to project how long your retirement fund is going to last at your fingertips. In reality, you may not achieve that when you do not have the knowledge or know-how to shift your retirement investment accordingly when macroeconomic seasons change in the world, in its respective regions or countries, whether it's in Malaysia or anywhere in the world where you put your money in.